Hi, this is Terry, and welcome back to Cat Scratch Kitchen. You know, a great side for most dinners is that rice and pasta mix that's loved in San Francisco. You know the one I'm talking about. Well, let's make some to keep in our pantry so we can have it anytime we want. First, you're going to need 2 cups of plain white rice. To that, you're going to add 1 cup of fideo. Now, fideo is a thin, short pasta, similar to the noodles that you find in a dried noodle soup. For the flavoring, we need 1/4 cup of dried parsley, 5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, or you can use beef if you prefer, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. We want to pour this in the bowl with our rice and our pasta and mix it together thoroughly. You know, my local store today did not have fideo, and if that happens to you, it's an easy remedy. Just buy a package of angel hair pasta and break it into 1/2-inch pieces. Now that sounds sort of labor intensive, but I just sat in front of the TV and broke it into a bowl. A pound of angel hair pasta makes about 3 cups of broken pasta, so way more than you would need for this recipe. The rest of it I'll keep on hand, mix with broth, and have a nice light lunch. You can store it in any container or Ziploc bag as long as it's airtight. It'll keep almost indefinitely. This recipe will make the equivalent of 4 boxes of rice-a-roni and comes out to merely 60 cents a box. That's not bad. Now, to use our rice-a-roni mix, we need 2 tablespoons of butter melted in a 12-inch skillet. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of our rice mixture. Stir it well to make sure that all the rice and pasta is covered in the butter. You're going to let it stay on the stove over medium-low heat until the pasta starts to turn golden brown. It'll take you maybe 3-4 minutes. Once your pasta starts to turn the golden brown, you're going to add 2 1/4 cups of water to your skillet. With the temperature at medium-high, stir together the water and pasta and bring it to a boil. Once your rice comes to a good boil, you're going to cover it with a lid and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes, all of the liquid should be absorbed. You can fluff it with a fork and it's ready to serve. This delicious side dish is really hard to mess up, and it's ready in just a few minutes. I hope you found something you enjoyed in Cat Scratch Kitchen today, and if you did, please like and subscribe. See you next time.